Hello sweeties, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we'll be learning how to cut, pad and stitch a very perfect bustier blouse. So this is a tube blouse, and it is actually a sweetheart neckline. So if you're interested in knowing how this is being done, please make sure you watch this video to the end, and please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. So I'll be cutting this with this pattern paper, and I'll be starting my measurement from 6 inches because it's a tube top. So from that 6 inches, can you see where I place my tip? I will now take my bust line measurement vertically, which is 8.5. Then after that, I will take my bust point, which is 10.5 inches. Then my under bust is 14 inches, while the half length is 17 inches. So I will go ahead and connect the lines together. Please, if you watch this video to the end, you will never have issue cutting and padding your blouse. So I'll connect the lines. So after connecting my lines, you can see this 4 line. So the next measurement I will take is my nipple to nipple measurement, which is 4 inches. So I will take this 4 inches from my half length to my bust line. So on my neckline, I will take 4.5 inches. So I'll go ahead and connect the lines together. It's only on my neckline that I took 4.5 inches. So I will come to my half length line. I will take my dart. I'm taking 2 inches from my side front because the bust is bigger there. So I'll come to my under bust. I will take the same measurement. So I'm taking 2 inches on my side front and 1 inch on my front, center front. So I will connect the line from my half length to my under bust. I'm taking this for a bust of 38 inches. So from my bust point, I came down by 1 inch, and from my bust point again, I went up by 3/4 inch. So I will now create my curve. So this curve is for my bust. Like I used to tell you that your bust is in between your bust points, your bust line and your under bust. So on my neckline, on the side front, I will take 1 inch. 3/4 inch. Then on the center front, I took 1/2 inch. So I will now connect it from my bust point to my neckline. Can you see? I'm connecting the darts, my dart curve. Can you see what it looked like? So the next thing I will do is to take my bust measurement. My bust measurement is 38 inches. So I will add the dart that I'm going to cut out. Then I will also add 1.5 inches for sewing allowance. So I'll go to my half length, which is 32 inches divided by 4. So I will also add the 3 inches because I have 1 inch on one side, then 2 inches for one side. So I will add it. That will give me 3 inches. I will add it to the 8 inches, then I will add 1.5 inches for sewing allowance. So I'll go ahead and join the line from my half length to my bust line. So on my neckline, I will replace the dart I'm cutting out. I have about 1.2.5 inches dart. So I will now connect it to my bust line. Can you see? Don't forget that this is a tube top. So the next thing I will do is to create my sweetheart neckline. Can you see what it look like? It's very simple. So this is how to go about your cutting your tube, a perfect tube top. So this is how to go about. This is a sweetheart bustier tube top. So this is the side front. Can you see what it look like? So I'll go ahead and cut it on my fabric. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are coming across my channel. Subscribe for more videos, please. This channel is for you. Whatever you want me to, whatever thing you find difficult in sewing, please just let me know in comment section. Share this video and give this tutorial a thumbs up. Thank you guys. So I'll cut it. This is the side front. I have to take 2 inches on the side because the breast is always bigger by the side. So you can take more than that if your breast is bigger. You get, if your breast is, if you are plus size, like 42, 45, this particular one will still suit someone with bust 40. So if you're like 42, 45, you can add like half an inch to the side, then 1.5 for the center front. So it all depends on the size of your bust. So this is for bust 38, which can suit someone with bust 40. So this is what it look like. What I have here is the center front, the 2 side fronts and the center front. So I'll go ahead and cut my wedding, my padding for this. So when you are cutting your padding, make sure that your wedding does not exceed. You see where I'm drawing that chalk? Make sure that your wedding does not exceed that part. That's my under bust. Can you see? So make sure that your wedding doesn't pass that place where you're under bust. That's the only way it can shoot out, because your bust is just around your under bust and your bust line. So please take notes. Don't go and pad all the center front from your chest to, from your bust line to your half length. It won't come out well. Can you see? So this is how I'm going to be placing it. I'm placing it so that it will not get to the beginning of the fabric, because I'm going to turn it so that it will be easier for me to turn when I want to turn it. So that's why I have to leave this half an inch for joining. So I'll go ahead and cut for the side front. Remember, your wedding is not supposed to be longer than your bust, your under bust. So because my nipple to nipple is 4 inches, so what I measured from the beginning, like where my hand is right now, is 4 inches in. Can you see that? So I'm cutting it on fold because I have 2 side fronts, one for one side and one for one side. Can you see? Can you see where I place it? It did not exceed my under bust line. See where my under bust is? That place that has the curve. Can you see? So if you can do it this way, you will never make mistake. So this is what it is, guys. So the next thing I will do is to place my hem gum in between the wording and my fabric so that it will be easier for me to gum it. Can you see? I have gummed the center front. This is the center front. Can you see what it look like? And this is the side front. You see, both of them, they are just around the underboss. Can you see? That's where they stopped. None of the weddings exceeded the underboss. So this is how I'll be joining it. So I'll go and do that on my sewing machine. So this is it. Then I will pick the other one and join it to the other side. Can you see? So guys, I'm done joining it, and this is what we have at the end of the day. I've ironed it too. So the next thing I did was to notch the underboss so that I can separate the boss area from the down part of my bustier. Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next tutorial, and bye for now.